Hello, today I will be showing you how to create a QR code to keep track of visitors that attend your open house. Let's get started. First, you will need to have Google Chrome, which I have found works best to complete this task. Upon opening the web browser, open a second tab. We'll be going to qrcodemonkey.com. This website allows us to create a free QR code, which you can download later. Once you have opened the website, let's go back to the first tab. You'll need to have access to a Gmail account to be able to proceed. If you do not have one at this moment, please pause the video and create one. Once you have logged into your Gmail account, click onto the menu icon on the top right hand corner. Scroll down and look for this icon that says Drive. Click on it to open it up. Once the drive is open, you'll proceed to the top left-hand corner and click on this icon that reads New. We will be looking for Google Forms. Mine appears right here, but yours might be in this subsection under More. Select it, and a new tab will be opened named Untitled Form. Let's click on the title and change that. For example, we'll use 1234 Main Street. Once you have done that, you'll move your mouse over to the title on the top left-hand corner and click once. It will automatically change the name for you. All changes are being saved automatically into your Google Drive. For form description, you can get as creative as you like. I have a pre-typed text on a Word document that I like to use, and you are welcome to copy and edit as you please. I simply copy the text from my Word document, then paste it into the section. Now, this section will be completed with a logical reason as to why we need the information. Moving on, you will click on the first question. I like to keep it simple and just state what I am requesting. First will be their full name. The response type might change automatically like it did on mine, but if not, just click on the pull down menu and change to short answer. Then move down to the required toggle and make it mandatory. Next, click on the icon with the plus sign in it. We'll be adding another question. Now we'll be asking for a phone number. Again, if it does not change automatically, go down to the pull down menu. This question will also add a validation. We can leave that alone. Again, let's make this one a requirement and now add another question. The last one is for an email. Same as before, response needs to be a short answer, and this should also be a requirement. Now, you can also ask different questions, such as if they have been pre-qualified already, or if they're working with another realtor. The answer response can be in multiple choice form, giving them the option of yes or no. You also can make this mandatory or not mandatory. There are many other questions you could ask, but to keep it simple, I will stick to name, phone number, and email. Now we can continue to the organization of the information. On the top of the page, click on the Response tab. You will currently have 0 responses, but go ahead and locate this green icon for the Google spreadsheets. You'll be prompted with this pop-up window asking if you want to create an existing spreadsheet or a new one. Let's create a new one. This will now open in a new tab and create a spreadsheet for the information. It will automatically give you a timestamp, their full name, their phone number, and email. I like to extend tabs to make sure everything is readable. Again, everything that goes into this Google spreadsheet is being saved into your Google Drive. From here, we will go back to our Google Forms page and select Send from the top right-hand corner. Then locate the icon that looks like a chain link and open it. You'll want to select the URL link by clicking anywhere and then proceed to selecting Copy button. Now, we can find the first tab we open, which is qrcodemonkey.com. We're going to want to erase the URL code that's on there and paste the one that we just copied. After that, go down to the Create QR Code and select the green button. Using your phone, you can open your camera and hover over the QR code on your screen. Select the link that appears on the top and it will take you to the questionnaire that you have just created. You can test it out by adding your own information, or you can put false information. Once you have finished, you can go back to your Google spreadsheet and see how that information was automatically updated. Now you can go back to your survey and select responses. You can also see that one response has been entered. You can see it in a summary format, a question format, or an individual format. I prefer to use the spreadsheets because I can simply save it onto my desktop as a CVS file and import that into my CRM. Next, you will want to go back to qrcodemonkey.com and download your QR code. This code will be easy to paste on any flyer that you like. You can send it, or you can share it by email or text message. I would recommend making a nice flyer for your open house and posting it outside of the door. As people are coming in, they will be able to scan the QR code, fill out the information, and then go into your open house. Remember, all of your data they record will be in the spreadsheet, which you can export into whatever CRM you choose. I hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.